The concept underpinning Hoval's decentralized indoor climate system is simple yet sophisticated. A group of individual units is positioned in selected locations. Equipped with its own heat pump, each unit is technically independent and supplies precisely the output required. The system control ensures well-coordinated interaction and thus precisely the right temperature in every area of the hall. Though this may sound complicated at first, it proves to be very straightforward on closer inspection. We at Mannschein are very proud that we were able to implement this version of the decentralized indoor climate system together with Hoval. I would really like to praise the process and the contacts at Hoval. They were always the same, and we got information straight away whenever we needed it. As the system is made up of relatively few components, we were able to assemble them very quickly and easily, without holding up any of the work or impeding the relocation in any way.
Die Montage abwickeln, ohne dass wir andere Gewerke aufhalten oder auch die Übersiedelung irgendwie behindern.
The main argument for customers is definitely the simplicity of the system and the fact that they have just one contact. This means they can come to us, we will carry out planning with them, we can supply the units, the ventilation units and the heat pumps. We have the entire control system to go with them and all of the service, including commissioning, and then afterwards maintenance is performed by Hoval too. Hoval Decentralized Indoor Climate Systems. The simple, reliable and cost-effective way to control the climate in halls. Hundreds of companies already rely on them.